First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, Sunday's severe weather outbreak really was an outbreak. If you look at a map or any kind of information on, in fact, I posted something to Facebook yesterday about how things really verified on Sunday, the risk areas, the high risk, the moderate risk that we were under. That's where all the severe weather was centered during the day Sunday, and two confirmations now on tornadoes here in the WBKO viewing area. One you heard about yesterday in Butler County, the EF1 tornado, and now a confirmed EF1 tornado just a little bit south of Greenville in Muhlenberg County on Sunday afternoon. But things are much quieter and cooler now as we look outside this morning on radar. We're seeing 34 degrees and a mainly clear sky with the exception of a few high clouds, and it is much cooler this morning than it was yesterday. Here's a look at some temperatures right now across the Kentucky Mesonet network. 27 down in Burkesville this morning, 30 Campbellsville, there's a 29, Hardinsburg, 31 up in Hartford, Elkton at 34, Scottsville coming in at 33, Edmonton also at 33 degrees at this hour, and a little bit of a light north wind, or occasionally a breeze up to about 10 miles per hour or 11 miles per hour out of the north and northeast out of Madisonville. 14 mile per hour, little breeze there in Franklin at the moment. And you throw that in with the temperature and you get a little bit of a wind chill. And that's making some of the temperatures this morning feel more like they're in the mid to upper 20s. So if you're waiting for the school bus or the ride to work this morning, you want to dress in layers and a little bit warmer. And it's not going to warm up that much today thanks to that reinforcing shot of cooler air that we received yesterday. Even though we're going to see a mostly sunny sky, it's only going to be around 50 today, about 10 degrees cooler for Bowling Green and Warren County, 50 in Glasgow and Barron County, 51 for Franklin, Simpson County, 51 for Scottsville today, all around the Barron River Lake area. And by the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot for tomorrow night estimated to be at $40 million. The next Mega Millions estimated to be at $165 million. Beautiful sight from our AAA Systems Doppler cam as we're waiting on the sun to come up. It should be arriving here in just a few minutes. And you're seeing some of those mid and high level clouds up there right now. 34 degrees, but it feels like it's 30 with that north wind at 4 miles per hour. We head to Greenville, and a beautiful sight, much better than what it was showing us this same camera on Sunday afternoon. If you were watching our live coverage, either streaming or live on television, when we saw the northern edge of that tornado now confirmed just about 5 miles south of this location in Greenville on Sunday. 33, the current temperature with some of those same high clouds. And we check, well, there was Munfordville, but it went by too quickly. But there's some high cloudiness over Glasgow, 32, the current temperature reading. 35, we'll make it 33 now. We've gone down 2 more degrees at the Bowling Green Airport as we get usually our chilliest temperature just before dawn, as the coldest air sets in and then things begin to warm up after that. Right now, we're 13 degrees colder than we were at this hour just yesterday. 21 degrees colder in Knoxville, Tennessee. A little bit of a warm up out in the plains, and that warm up is going to head our direction eventually. Even though radar's not showing much of anything going on right now. Few showers down around Dallas, Fort Worth, Waco, Texas, but that's far away from us. There's a look at high pressure sitting right on top of south central Kentucky and the Ohio and Tennessee valleys this morning. And because of that, that's allowing the temperatures to really settle down much cooler today than what we were seeing yesterday, about 10 degrees cooler. Until the center of high pressure moves a little bit further east, we'll start to get a southerly flow here tomorrow. Today we'll see a mix of clouds and sunshine. Tomorrow mostly sunny, but you can see already showers trying to generate out in the central plains and the middle Mississippi Valley ahead of the next front. And ahead of that front, there will be a series of disturbances that are going to kick out like waves. Like if you throw out a rock out into the creek or out into the ocean and it causes the waves, same kind of ripple effect is going to happen here beginning Thursday night into Friday. And each one of those disturbances could bring us a really good chance of rain, especially for Friday and Saturday. Mostly sunny today, cooler. 10 degrees cooler than yesterday at 50. Then for tonight, partly cloudy, down to 29. Tomorrow we'll make it back to a mostly sunny 58 with a more southerly flow and near 60. as we get into the day Thursday. Much of the day should be dry, but by Thursday night and during the day Friday, nothing but rain. But the good news is we're not expecting any severe weather. High of 60 Friday, cooler Saturday 50 as the first of two fronts come in and shut off the rain. The second front comes in Saturday night and really brings us the coldest air yet this fall season. A high on Sunday, only 35 degrees.